So, good evening, sir. My name is Miguel Otto Jr. from BS Screen 2A. So, in this evening, we discuss and illustrate to how locate the core and the delta and the 8 general types of fingerprint pattern. So, the first one is the core. Core is a approximate center of the fingerprint pattern. When the ridges converge, it is location varies depending on the pattern types. Of lane lobe, it's typically found within the innermost record walls. It is the near of the center of the circular or spiral patterns. The next one is the delta. Delta is the point of area when a radius diverges, forming a triangle shape. Line lobes, there's typically one delta located in the near the type of line whorls. Usually have the two deltas or on each sides of the core. The presence and number of the deltas are critically for the fingerprint classification. So let's proceed the rules on the fingerprint pattern. Number 1. The radial lobes. The ridges enter and exit on the same sides of the finger, curving towards the thumb and radian bones. So, ano siya is makita natin ni siya in the right hand or the right thumb or the right fingers. And number 2 is the ulnar loop. The ridge enter and the exit on the same side, curving towards the little finger ulnar bone, and this is the most common lobe types. So this lobes is located to the left hands or left fingers or the left thumbs. And the third one is the pinwhorl. The ridges makes a complete circuit around the core with two deltas and are therefore a circular or spiral in shape. And the fourth one is the central pocket lobe whorl. It is similar to a plain whorl, but a line drawn between the deltas does not intersect any ridges within the type. The pattern and oval circular. And the fifth one is the double lobe whorl. It contains two separate lobe formation, each with its own core and shoulder. Na diba hindi siya separate sila. The sixth one is the accidental whorl. Whorls containing the ridges that match that characteristic of a particular whorl's subgroupings are referred to accidental whorls. Now, muna na siya ang the combination of the patterns na makita mo na ito sa iyang kuan. And the last one is the 10-third arch. So it is similar to a plain arch, but the ridges in the center from a sharp peak or angle, and also the 10-third arch lies some of ridges in the center and is not continuous like a plane.